Want to enable WhatsApp voice typing? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable it. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp. Now you want to open up any conversation. Now go ahead and tap on the text input field to open the keyboard. Here you want to look for the microphone icon. Tap on the microphone icon. Now you want to start speaking your message. Your speech will be converted into text and appear in the text box. Once you're done, you can simply send this message. For this to work, you want to allow permissions. Go to your settings, tap on apps. Now locate WhatsApp and tap on that. Now you want to tap on permissions. Here make sure that the permission of microphone is given. Select microphone and tap on the allow option. With this you can easily use WhatsApp voice typing, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.